Hello, today I will show you the basic thing that you need to have to do retro hairstyles. First of all, I will talk about brushes. This one, the main brush that you can see in my videos. This is vintage brush, but you don't need to have only vintage brushes for vintage hairstyles. Also, you can buy the modern too. This is jungle teaser. Also, I very like it. It's very comfortable. So I have also this teasing brush from Savasita, and it's very good to do buff-on and to make the shape, but it's not necessary for first time for you. And the combs, I have two, this one and with red tail comb. I'm using them for make shape of my hairstyle after brushing, and also this part I'm using to do the volume if I need. So this is the base brushes that you need to do your hairstyle. I think you have them at home, because really it's basics brushes for every girl, I think. Also, I want to show you the clips and hairpins. Duck bill clips, it's the basics clips that you need for retro hairstyles to do the wave. And also different hairpins that matching your hair color. That's all. Foam rollers. Foam rollers is the main thing that you need for retro hairstyles. When I started my retro way, really before foam rollers, I can't do the great hairstyles. When I bought foam rollers, it was the start of my retro hairstyles. So buy them, they are very cheap and really it's comfortable thing for you. I have two diameters, 22mm and 30mm. 22mm I used for this hairstyle, these little curlers, and 30mm I'm using when I need to do the Hollywood wave, the more biggest curls. Okay, informational part is over, and next I want to show you how to roll foam rollers. Hope you enjoyed this informational video. Don't forget to like and follow my channel for more hairstyle tutorials and retro secrets. New video every Friday. Bye bye!